Hi, I'm John Lewis with Shoreline Truck Parts. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the air cylinder in your Kenworth HVAC box, OEM part number 591540. You can find a link to this product in the description below. In this video, we're going to be splicing different clips together to give you various different angles. So by the end of this video, you should feel very comfortable installing the air cylinder yourself. All right, so let's get started. First, we'll be removing the air ducting from the truck. Using a 10mm socket, we'll now remove the lid of the box. With an OEM, your blower motor is going to be attached to the lid. With ours, your blower motor is going to be attached to the baffle plate. So in order to get back in here where you need to, we're going to have to unscrew the 3 Phillips screws that hold the blower motor in place. Sometimes you have to tilt the blower motor up like this in order to pull it out. And then we're going to detach the wiring harness from the blower motor. So in your box, you're going to have your air operated actuator. So you have the air cylinder attached to the box here with a Phillips screw. All we have to do is remove the screw. This part right here will slide off of the door. To release the air tube from the cylinder, you just press down on the white ring. And then you remove that. Now I'm going to show you how to install your air cylinder. So to put the air cylinder back on, what we're going to do is connect this to the door. Get our cylinder situated so the screw hole lines up. Insert our screw. Tighten our screw into place. And then we take our tube, press it into the air cylinder, and it locks into place. And then that's it. Put our blower motor back on. We make sure that our blue wire is connected to the blue wire for hot. Black wire is connected to black wire for ground. You put these on backwards, your blower's motor is going to run backwards and you're going to get half of as much CFM. So we want to make sure those are plugged in correctly. Now we'll slide our blower motor back into place. Again, if you're using our box, this is how you install it. And then we just screw down the 3 screws. Reinstall the lid. Reinstall the air ducting. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 616-834-1503. Again, that's 616-834-1503. Or reach out to us at sales@shorelinetruckparts.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.